So you want to grow a pepper garden and you want your plants to be loaded with peppers, right? These plants are loaded. And there's a little trick that I learned and I'm going to share with you. I'm holding in my hand this gadget. It's a pulsating, basically, massager. And what we learned is pepper plants self-pollinate. So all you need is to have pollen distributed on the flowers and it's going to create peppers for you. Unfortunately, sometimes the bees don't get to your plants and enabling the flowers to blossom to turn into peppers. So we discovered this gadget right here to increase our yield. And all you do is turn it on, put it at the base of your plant, it shakes the plant, and all of your flowers will pollinate. And it just, if you can take a look, it just shakes the plants. And what you're going to find is your plants are going to produce more peppers than they were before because every single flower is getting pollinated. I bought the gadget on Amazon, and as always, I'll leave a link in below so you can buy it. It's really helpful. It's changed my game as far as how many peppers I grow. Game changer, absolutely.